Hi guys, welcome again. So today I'll be continuing with the AWS Card Clash game. Today I'll be starting the new task, the second one from the list. So let's get started. Let's check what task is this about. What about blah 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 blah, blah. Yeah, correctly. Yeah, this task topic, so it will be regions and zones. Amazon cloud computing resources are hosted in multiple locations worldwide. These locations are composed of AWS regions, availability zones, and local zones. Okay, so we're gonna learn about the VPC, region, outpost family, local zones, and wavelength. I'm not sure if I remember what wavelength was. Was it a special service for mobile devices, some sort of Wi-Fi? Okay, and the outpost family. What was outpost family? Probably it was probably AWS providing on-premise computing cloud. On-premise and cloud. No, that won't be correct. So outpost family, I guess it will be AWS renting their hardware to run their services in some company's spots or place. Okay, probably once I get the card I can I can read the description and get the hold of it. Okay, so let's start a game. Okay, so the opponents will start first. So what do I have here? Regions and zones. What do I have here? I have a region, two availability zones, which have some subnets. They are in a virtual private cloud. Yeah. Define and launch AWS resources in a logically isolated virtual network. That will be a VPC, which I have now. This will be a region. This run latency sensitive application closer to the user. It seems like run like so that will be an outpost. Latency is closer to the end user. Deliver ultra-low application for 5G device. Okay, so the ultra-low latency application for 5G devices, the card for this will be the outposts, and latency those run latency okay, run latency sensitive application closer to the end user. Those will be what was the name? CloudFront, I would say. AWS local area zones, and now corporate data center. AWS outpost family. So what is outpost family? Because I don't remember what was it. AWS Outpost is a family of full managed solution delivering AWS infrastructure and services to virtually any on-premise or edge location for a truly consistent hybrid experience. So yeah, that will be the AWS renting its hardware and providing it as an outpost in some on-premise location for users. Outpost solutions allow you to extend and run native AWS services on premises, and is available in a variety of form factors, from 1U and 2U outpost servers to 45U outpost racks and a multiple rack deployment. So probably U stands for units. How many units of Amazon hardware computing power can you rent With AWS Outposts, you can run some AWS services locally and connect to a broad range of services available in the local AWS region. Run application and workloads on premises using familiar AWS services, tools and APIs. Outpost supports workloads and devices requiring low latency access to on-premise systems, local data processing, data residency, and application migration with local system interdependencies. Okay, so yeah, that would be it. AWS family outpost. Okay, I would like, how much does the steel cost? Is free. I have free energy. Now I have 5. I would like to steal this. What? Okay, local zone. AWS local zones are a type of infrastructure deployment that places compute, storage, and data and other select types close to large population and industry centers. Deliver innovative application requiring low latency closer to the end user and on-premise installations. So this will be the I just said what was it, the for 5G service, and this will be the AWS local zones. But do I want to use my energy now? Okay, I will keep it because it's a card game. I'll probably have more energy and I want to use it later in the game. So for now I will end this turn. Yep. Region. Not sure. I cannot secure any of these cards. So just for now, should I do it? Just for now, I will place the region. We will see how it ends. It all depends on the cards you get, so yeah, he got PC. He didn't use a region to steal it. Okay, I'm gonna use for energy. I won't need, hopefully, Outpost family. I will steal the local zone. There's no need for Lambda. How much for stealing? It will be free. Stealing this will also be free. What can I do? Okay, I will keep those cards. Maybe I will have a chance to steal it. Okay, game is finished. I won. So what's the summary of the match? Okay, I got 2 stars. I think I will try to replay this game. Seems like a doable task. It mostly depends on the cards you gain, but yeah, the knowledge from reading the cards and placing them on an infrastructure board is, I would say, medium, but yeah, reading all the services and what they are used for will be useful. Okay, I'll place the region and I will keep it as is. He discarded energy card, which is weird. In my opinion, we will see how it goes. If he just places 2 cards in a row, then that would be a lose. He stole my region. I still can steal it back. I want to have a perfect score, so I'll just keep playing. The gorilla. Great, he destroyed an outpost in a VPC. Well, that's actually a good sign for me, because I can steal this. I'll keep the energy for the next move. He's got no outposts. He's also got a free energy. I can lose the game. Okay, I'll try to wait. We'll see how it goes. So I want to steal the wavelength. I want to steal the outpost, and I want to get the PC. And it seems like I got a perfect score, 10 out of 10 on the second try, which is quite nice. Yeah, okay, so I scored 10 out of 7. Let's just see the infrastructure again. And yeah, so starting, where should we start? Okay, let's start left from right, like we should. So on the left we have the region. So AWS is divided into different regions, which consists of multiple availability zones, Zone A and Zone B, in which we have subnets, and although there are in different availability zones, we can configure our VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, which will which is a logically isolated virtual network, which allows us to connect different subnets through this VPC. And here, so outside the region, we have the local, how was it called? AWS local zones. So yeah, they allow us to have the applications, the infrastructure allows us for a lower latency due to having the applications closer to the end user. And we have the wavelength, right? Yeah, this is a special service for the mobile, as we can see here, the mobile devices using 5G internet. And we have the outposts, which was rent from AWS, a computing power and hardware, which is stated in the corporate data center, and yeah, it has installed native AWS services, and it's also connected via VPC to all the other instances of EC2s in different subnets. Okay, let's go to the match summary. I got 10-0, and I got perfect score. I don't know what this alien figure, is it a steal or something? I don't know. Okay, great. So I should have 3 stars after this. Okay, I have 3 stars on the first step and 3 stars on the second step. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, where I'll be trying to compete on the third step of the Cloud Practitioner card game, and the topic will be serverless to-do lists. So we'll be building a to-do list using Lambdas, DynamoDB, Cognito, Gateway. Okay, and we have Amazon Route 53. Okay, thank you guys. Hope to see you in the next video when we try to win the game on the third part of this card clash. Thank you. Bye.